At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is Philo, our camp pillow series designed to elevate your sleep at elevation. Bringing soft, cradling support to the backcountry at a tiny pack size, Philo greatly increases your restfulness and helps you recharge for tomorrow's adventure. Offered in 2 models, Philo and Philo Luxury are a backpacker's best friend on the trail. By pairing our I-beam baffled air cell with a thick layer of luxury foam, we've achieved 4 inches of loft and the perfect balance of comfort to weight with a soft, yielding, at-home pillow feel. Available in 2 new machine washable cover fabrics, a cozy micro suede and a soft jersey blend that offers a refreshingly clean and cool feeling for your face. Philo's air cell leverages I-beam baffles to eliminate the balloon feeling of other inflatable pillows and create a silent, natural pillow shape. The I-beam baffled cells prevent bounce for stable neck and head support and better sleep. Philo's ergonomic, micro-adjustable twist and push valve allows you to quickly inflate your pillow to the perfect level of firmness desired. Philo Luxury increases comfort with 3 extra inches of width and a woven shock cord backing to stuff with clothing, which adds loft needed for side sleeping. And Philo packs remarkably small in an integrated stuff sack that won't get lost. It's true that every ounce counts in the backcountry, but it's the little things that make a big difference. And a Philo camp pillow just disappears into your pack until it's time to recharge your batteries. And like all Nemo products, your camp pillow comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.
Introducing the Muse Wild Mini, a retro Army-style Bluetooth speaker with superior sound performance. The perfect companion for your next adventure. No matter if you're out for a weekend trip with your friends or just bring it when you're out alone, Muse Wild Mini is designed to unleash your authentic inner wildness at any place you can imagine. Now you can enjoy music on full blast. Crank up the volume without sacrificing sound quality. The intuitive control makes it very convenient and easy to use. Just control your playlist directly from the speaker through Bluetooth without touching your phone. An included LED light makes it also perfect for night activities or camping. Rugged, powerful, and portable, Muse Wild Mini is not just another toy gadget, but an extremely tough speaker with superior sound performance that fits in the palm of your hand. Using only premium materials, the speaker is designed with a full metal body, ammo boxes structure, and a unique knob shape, satisfying all your illusions of wilderness or military. Muse Wild Mini is a Bluetooth speaker for outdoor lovers. Easy to carry, super sturdy, but not compromising in sound quality. Bid for your Wild Mini now and get ready for your next adventure.
PowerVision's forward-thinking design team have created a one-of-a-kind streamlined appearance. Power Dolphin has improved the fish finder system. Comes with a newly designed fishing bait container that can accurately release bait. With Power Dolphin, you have a new way to fish by dragging your line behind you instead of your traditional fishing rod, allowing you to tow back catches from the safety of the shoreline or your own boat. It has a 132-degree wide-angle lens, equipped with a headlamp and 4 levels of brightness. You can preview and record fishing via the front camera. Power Dolphin is not only useful for fishing, but also in marine search and rescue. It has 3 different speed levels. Life jackets and other life-saving devices can be delivered safely and released via the remote control function. It can be operated with the included controller or your very own smartphone. Both of these formats have one-touch return to home built in. Power Dolphin's smart sonar system can be used to generate a topographic map of the most complex underwater environments, including the ocean floor. It comes with an interchangeable battery and a micro SD card. It has a running time of approximately 2 hours. Power Dolphin can reach speeds of up to 16 feet per second. It is equipped with a unique dual-joint rotating camera, allowing users to see above and below the water surface, with a 215-degree wide viewing angle. The 12-megapixel camera shoots at 4K 30 frames per second, with real-time streaming at 1080p HD. So you can better see what's above and below you. Whether you're fishing, surfing, exploring, or rescuing, Power Dolphin is another leap forward in the world of remote-controlled marine vehicles.